Example 1, given that A is given to be, this is said to be a 3 by 2 matrix to be multiplied by a 2 by 3 matrix. We are asked to find A dot B. Is BA defined? We are going to know. If it is, find it. So let's see. Solution. AB is equal to 3, 2, 4, 1, 5 and minus 1 to be multiplied by matrix B, which is 4, 3 minus 2, 5, 1, 4, so that AB is going to give us a new 2 by 3 matrix. We are going to multiply the first row with the first column to get our C11. Remember, this is going to give us C11, C12, C13, and C21, C22, C23, and C31, C32, and C33. So we are looking at a 3 by 3 matrix because we have 3 rows in column in matrix A as well as 3 columns in matrix B. So definitely the row of the new matrix is going to be determined by the row of matrix A, and the column of matrix C is going to be determined by the column of matrix B. So since we have 3 columns, 1, 2, and 3, our new result is going to be a 3 by 3 matrix. So C11 is going to be first row, first column. So I'm going to multiply this by this. This is going to be 3 times 4 plus 2 times 5. And our C12 is going to be first row, second column. Okay, so this is going to be 3 times, that is this to be multiplied by this, 3 times 3 plus 2 times 1. And our C13 is going to be first row, third column, which is this. So this is going to be 3 times minus 2 plus 2 times 4. Okay. Next is C21, which is second row, first column. This will be 4 times 4 plus 1 times 5. C22, second row, second column. We will have 4 times 3 plus 1 times 1. And C23, second row, third column, which will be 4 times minus 2 plus 1 times 4. We move to the third row of the new matrix, which will be this to be multiplied by the first column. This will be 5 times 4 plus minus 1 times 5, while this is going to be C32, third row, second column, 5 times 3 plus minus 1 times 1, while this is going to be C33, third row, third column. We have 5 times minus 2 plus minus 1 times 4. So we can then simplify this. AB is equal to, I'll take it bit by bit, 3 times 4 is 12 plus 10. This will give me 16 plus 5, while this is 20 minus 5. This will be 9 plus 2, 12 plus 1, and 15 minus 1. This is said to be minus 6 plus 8 minus 8 plus 4 and minus 10 minus 4, which is equal to, I have done the multiplication. I'm just simplifying it step by step. This will be equal to 12 plus 10 is 22. This will be 21. And this is 15. This will give us 11, 13. 15 minus 1 is 14. This will be 2, minus 4, and minus 14. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you will get when you're asked to multiply two matrices. Remember, matrix A was a 3 by 2 matrix, and matrix B was a 2 by 3 matrix. And at the end, it gave rise to matrix C, which is a 3 by 3 matrix. So what I'm saying in essence is that the role of matrix C is determined by the role of matrix A, while the column of matrix C is said to be determined by the column of matrix B. So this is how you can determine the order of a new matrix when you're asked to multiply two matrices together. So this is what you will get when you multiply matrix A and B. The question is BA defined? For a matrix to be defined, the role of matrix A must be equal to the column of matrix B. If you look at the one we just solved, I told you that matrix A is said to be a 3 by 2 matrix. That means it has 3 rows and 2 columns, while matrix B is said to have 2 rows and 3 columns. Now, and it gave rise to a 3 by 3 square matrix. Also note that when you multiply two matrices together, you will arrive at a new matrix that is a square matrix, just like we just did in this example. Now, the question is BA defined? For BA to be defined, it therefore means that the role of matrix B must be equal to the column of matrix B. So BA has 2 rows and A has 3 columns. It therefore means that BA is defined, same way as AB is defined. So the question says, is BA defined? If yes, then find it. So it therefore means that BA is going to be 4, 3 minus 2, 5, 1, 4 to be multiplied with 3, 2, 4, 1, 5 minus 1. So since we have 3 rows in matrix B and 3 columns in matrix A, we are good to go. So B dot A is equal to I'm going to use row 1 to multiply. Definitely it's going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. So row 1, column 1 will be equal to 4 times 3 plus 3 times 4 plus minus 2 times 5 for our C11. C12 is going to be this times this. So we have 4 times 2 plus 3 times 1 plus minus 2 times minus 1. C21 is going to be second row, first column, which will be 5 times 3 plus 1 times 4 plus 4 times 5. C22 will be second row, second column. That will be 5 times 2 plus 1 times 1 plus 4 times minus 1. So you go ahead and simplify this. BA is equal to 4 times 3 is 12 plus 12 minus 10. This will be 15 plus 4 plus 20. And this is said to be 8 plus 3 plus 2. When you multiply out negative, it becomes positive. This gives us 10 plus 1 minus 4. So that B dot A is said to be 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 minus 10 is 14. This is 19. 19 plus 20 is 39. And this will be 13. Well, this is 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. So our BA is said to be a matrix with element 14, 13, 39, 7. So this is what you will get. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook and on TikTok if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from my daily classes. We shall now take another example.